Hello students, welcome to the digital learning session of Rawal Convent School. Today we will study layers of atmosphere. This is second part. First part we had already discussed, in which we had discussed about atmosphere and its composition. Let's begin. The atmosphere is divided into 5 different layers. And why it is divided into 5 different layers? This is because the atmosphere is not uniform. Its properties change with altitude. Two properties change with altitude, the air pressure and the air temperature. Let's look at each layer individually. These layers are Troposphere, Stratosphere, Mesosphere, Thermosphere and Exosphere. And the easy way to learn these layers is learn this sentence. The science monkeys took VII, in which T stands for Troposphere. In science, S stands for Stratosphere. In monkey, M stands for Mesosphere. In took, T stands for Thermosphere, and in VII, E stands for Exosphere. Now, Troposphere, lowest layer of the atmosphere, closest to Earth. You live here. Tropo means turning or changing. There is more change in this layer than any another layer. Weather occurs here. Thinnest layer contains almost all the mass of the atmosphere. It contains 16 km thick at equator and less than 9 km thick at poles. As altitude increases, temperature decreases. Now, Stratosphere, second layer of the atmosphere, reaches from troposphere to about 50 km above the surface of the earth. Strato means layer or spread out. Ozone layer is here. Remember, it protects living things from ultraviolet radiation from sun. Jet often fly here because it is calm. As altitude increases, temperature increases because ozone layer absorbs heat. Now, third layer, Mesosphere. Meso means middle. Reaches from 50 km to 80 km above Earth's surface. Protect Earth's surface from being hit by meteoroids. What are meteoroids? A meteoroid is a small rocky or metallic body in outer space. A shooting star is a trail of hot glowing gases a meteoroid leaves behind in the mesosphere. As altitude increases, temperature decreases. Now, Thermosphere, outermost layer of our atmosphere, reaches from 80 km above Earth's surface into outer space. There is no definite upper limit. Thermo means heat. Thickest layer, you would not feel warm here. Why? This is because sunlight strikes the thermosphere first. Nitrogen and oxygen molecules convert this energy into heat. Despite the high temperature, you would not feel warm in the thermosphere. It has two layers. Ionosphere, lowest layer of the thermosphere, reaches from about 80 km to 400 km above Earth's surface. Energy from the sun causes gas molecules here to become electrically charged particles. Radio wave bounce off ion back to Earth, makes signals travel much further at night. Now, Exosphere. Exo means outer. Is the outer portion of the thermosphere, reaches from about 400 km outward for thousands of kilometers. Space shuttle and satellite orbit Earth here. In conclusion, the troposphere, where we live, the stratosphere, which contains the ozone layer, the mesosphere, where meteors burn, and the thermosphere, where satellite orbit Earth. In the end, I would like to say that save the ozone layer or give heat to your next generation. Thank you.